welcome back to All Things with Tip. If you are returning to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to you also. So today I will be doing a review on a deep wavy Amazon wig that I purchased not too long ago. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, so this wig is called the Hermosa Deep Wave HD Transparent Lace Front Wig. I purchased it off of Amazon. At the time that I purchased it, the wig was $115.68. Possibilities in price may change, it may go up or down. The shipping was really fast. I do have Prime. I ordered it on a Friday and it came the next day, I believe. So it was really quick shipping. So I want to go ahead and I like to, when I do a review, I like to open it on the camera. So I've had it for probably maybe about 2 weeks now, but I wanted to save opening the package for the video. So it came in this Amazon package. Okay, so it's gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, so this is the package that it comes in. Alright, this is a pretty color bag. It comes in like a peach bag. And it has their logo on it, the Hermosa hair. Love your hair, show your beauty. It says that it's unprocessed hair with high quality. Alright. Alright. And the one, let me see. The length that I purchased, let's see. So I purchased the 22 inch and it's just the natural color. And so here's the wig. Pull it out of the bag for you. I haven't worn wigs this long. Even when I do like quick weaves or sew in, I usually do, I think the longest I may have done is a 16 inch. So this is going to be the longest that I've done. I know that since it is wavy, I wanted to do something longer so that it wouldn't be too short. So that's why I did go with the 22 inch. All right. The hair doesn't stink, but it just has that regular smell that normal weave has. And I do like it. I was going to change the color, but I see that it's already kind of like has some brown in it instead of, it's not just jet black. I do not like the jet black. So I'm just gonna try it on. I was gonna dye it first, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is until I wanna be creative. All right, so let's see what else comes in this package. All right, so this is, so this right here is just different directions that come with it. It shows you how to shampoo and condition. It says do that twice a week. It also shows you how to part and how to comb. So I think that's pretty cool. Gives you instructions on how to maintain the wig. All right, and it also comes with 2 wig caps. All right, so I am going, oh, there's something else in here. Okay, and it comes with lashes also. All right, good deal. Okay, so I thought I purchased a 13x4, but it is just a 4x4 lace. All right, and it has combs in the back. It also has combs on the side, and then it also has the adjustable band. So I'm going to just go ahead and just kind of throw it on really quick so you guys can see and then I'll go back and I'll put on the wig completely so we can see how it looks styled and all of that. All right. All right, and it does come with baby hairs on it. The hair is really soft. Okay guys, I am liking this because usually when I do wavy hair, I'll do like a quick weave, and I'm loving this. This is cute. I wish that it was a 13x4 though, but we'll work with it. May not even put a part in it. I may just this is cute, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace and try to style it, so give me just a moment. Okay guys, so baby hairs have always been kind of difficult for me to do, but I am going to try my best, see what we can come up with. Only thing I don't like about the wigs that are like the 4x4 or less than the 13x4 is that they have this right here, and it can be, it's kind of noticeable, but I'm going to try to camouflage it with the baby hairs, and then I'm also going to try to lay this down a little bit with my hot comb to see if that helps. So I may speed it up a little bit here, but we will see. Alright, and I'm just going to use my Chi Enviro spray. Actually, I'm going to use my foam first, and then I'll go back with my Chi Enviro spray. I'm going to use my Nairobi foam. And I'll post all of the products that I'm using, including the wig, in the description. I really like this wig. I've been wanting to do my hair like this again, but I just didn't want to, well, my hair is not long enough for a sew-in or a quick weave like this, unless I did you know, do the lace front closure, but I don't want to do all that, so it's just easier to throw on the wig. But I might try it. That gives me an idea. Maybe when I feel like doing it, I'll do it. Okay, so I am just going to, oh, forgot to tell you, so I am using this Paul Mitchell Farm Style Dry Wax. I like using this when my hair is short to curl it. And then I also like to use it on my weaves to make it lay down when I'm pressing it. And I just like to go in on the part that I really want to lay down, and I just, you know, I just get a little bit on my hands, and then I'll just put that on the closer to the roots as so. And when that heat hits it, it'll help it lay down. Okay guys, so there is just a little bit of shedding, but I mean, that's expected. The hair is still really soft. I love, you all can kind of see, it's not like jet black like a lot of the wigs are. It has like a brown in it, so it's more natural, and I love that. And I love how the wavy look looks on me. I love this, guys. I'm going to try to press this down just a little bit more. It gives me the fullness that I want as well. Guys, I think that's enough. I like for my hair to still kind of be fluffy, but I just wanted to kind of lay this top down just a little bit. All right guys, so that is it. I'm gonna try to do a stand-up picture so you guys, here's the length here. Let me turn around in the back. Here's the back. And I'm gonna try to do a picture where I'm standing up where you can see the full length of the wig, and I'm also gonna brush it out. Well, I'm loving it. Give me just a second. I just want to brush it out. I don't want to see those curls be too defined on you. There we go. Make it fluff up a little bit more. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Try to lock it in so you guys can see. Yeah, I might go back to long hair. This is cute. Alright guys, so this is it, and I'm going to take some pictures at the end so that you guys can see how long it is standing up. I guess if I would stretch it out, it probably would give me that 22 Yep, because when I stretch it out, it's going all the way down to my waistline. But this is perfect. It's actually kind of long, but it's still a good length for me. So I definitely recommend this wig. Make sure you guys check the link in the description. I'll put the link to the wig as well as the products that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.